Discover the captivating tales that lie within the natural wonders that surround us. From the majestic headlands that jet out into the vast ocean, to the graceful curves of pristine beaches, and even the tiniest grains of sand, each holds a story waiting to be unveiled. Nature's handiwork is not merely a collection of picturesque landscapes, but a living testament to the rich history and diverse narratives that have shaped our world. Take a moment to explore these hidden narratives, for within every outthrust headland, every curving beach, and every grain of sand, a world of stories awaits. As you stand upon a rugged headland, gazing out at the endless expanse of the sea, imagine the ancient mariners who once navigated these treacherous waters. Picture their courage and determination as they braved the unknown, their tales of triumph and tragedy etched into the very cliffs that now stand before you. These headlands, with their sheer cliffs and dramatic vistas, serve as a reminder of the countless adventures and hardships experienced by those who dared to explore. Moving along the coastline, the curving beaches beckon with their gentle waves and golden sands. But beyond their idyllic beauty lies a wealth of stories waiting to be shared. These beaches have witnessed the footprints of generations, each leaving their mark on the sands of time. From ancient civilizations that once thrived along these shores, to the footprints of explorers who embarked on daring expeditions. The sands hold the imprints of countless lives and the echoes of their triumphs and struggles. And then there are the grains of sand, seemingly insignificant in their minuscule size, yet collectively holding a wealth of stories. Each grain, weathered by time and the forces of nature, carries a unique history. They may have journeyed from distant lands, carried by rivers or ocean currents, or formed from the remnants of ancient shells and coral reefs.